If you've just arrived at this video after watching the entire series, then you deserve a big congratulations. We just covered an amazing amount of material in a relatively short period of time, and if you followed along by building the site as we constructed it on screen, then you've successfully built a fully functioning Drupal 7 website, possibly your first. Not only that, but you also have a new set of tools and techniques that you can use to further extend your abilities and build more complex and feature-rich websites. Nearly everything we covered in this series has significance and represents a real-world situation you might encounter when building websites for yourself, your clients, or your organization. We ran into many problems or areas where there wasn't a clear way forward and figured out what to do next, and talked about what you could do if you run into similar situations with future projects. When we began this series, we asked what you would do in certain situations. For example, how would you find a well-maintained module that provides the functionality you need for your site? Or, you've just installed a module but have no idea how it works. What would you do first? Or, how can you interlink related content automatically? The answers to these problems aren't simple. Each answer requires an understanding of how many of the basic building blocks in Drupal work and how they work together. Now when you look at those questions, I bet you have a pretty good idea of how to answer them, and that's a tremendous step forward. From here, the best thing that you can do to ensure that you retain everything that you've learned is to put it into practice right away with a practical project. If you have a project in mind, jump right into building it with Drupal. If you don't have a project, find one or invent one. There will be more videos on manageasite.com released regularly to help further your knowledge and speed up the process of learning, but you already have the tools that you need to build a complete website in Drupal. The rest, as they say, is gravy. I hope you enjoyed these videos and that they've empowered you to tackle bigger, more interesting projects. I'm really excited to see what you do from here. Again, I'm Chris Shattuck, and thank you for watching.